Welcome everyone, Pastor Dave here. It is November 28, 2011. We've been keeping our eye on the Middle East, as we should, and our eye on Israel as we look at Bible prophecy and world events. Well, let's keep our eye on the United States. What's going on? Barry, Obama, what are you doing? You're making a drug deal? And what about our United States military? I introduced you to a new watcher last night, Mrs. Soto 521, and I know she covered this, but just in case you didn't get over there, before we look at the war on drugs, Barry, Obama, what are you doing? Making drug deals behind everyone's back. Oh, stay tuned. It's going to get good. Just in case you are unaware, the United States Senate to vote on legislation that allows the United States military to detain Americans without charge or without trial. And this just came out November 25th. Remember that debate between Ron Paul and Newt Gingrich, where Mr. Gingrich suggested we should expand and strengthen the Patriot Act in the name of protecting the United States citizens from terrorists. Mr. Gingrich indicates that there exists a line between criminal law and the war on terror, and that we need not worry the government will overstep its bounds. Oh, let's not worry about that. While Americans enjoy the Thanksgiving weekend and join the annual Running of the Bull celebration at malls and retail outlets, something sinister is taking place in Congress, behind your back, mind you, and it should scare the hell out of you. If the President and Senate have their way, your front lawn will soon become a battlefield, and you'll be subjected to military, not criminal law. I'm going to put this link below, just so you have it for you can read it in its entirety. The Senate is gearing up for a vote on Monday, that's today, that's why I'm bringing this out, or Tuesday, that goes to the very heart of who we are as Americans. The Senate will be voting on a bill that will direct American military resources not at an enemy shooting at our military in a war zone, but at American citizens and other civilians far from any battlefield, even people in the United States itself. The Senate is going to vote on whether Congress will give the President and every future President the power to order the military to pick up and imprison without charge or trial American citizens. Even Ron Paul of Texas raised his concerns about the NDAA detention provisions during last night's Republican debate. The power is so broad that even U.S. citizens could be swept up by the military, and the military could be used far from any battlefield, and even within the United States itself. I'm going to put this link below so you can read this in its entirety. This is going on today. It's provision S 1867, the National Defense Authorization Act bill. It's hitting the floor today and tomorrow. And if this passes, the military can arrest you without warrant, without trial. My. Now, Barry, we got to look at what's going on with Obama. Okay, let's take a quick look. Then I got to get going today. Barry, Obama is caught making a drug deal. Investigation opening up over Obama's drug deal. Yes, friends, that's correct. And this is coming from Reuters. A lawmaker from the same party as the president is asking for an investigation of Obama's suspicious $433 million contract with a Democratic donor's pharmaceutical company for an unapproved experimental smallpox drug. Senator Claire McCaskill, a Democratic representative from the state of Missouri, has asked the Department of Health and Human Services to look into the White House recent deal linked between the Obama administration and SIGA Technologies Incorporated, the manufacturer of a smallpox pill that is coincidentally owned by a major campaign donor and a crony of our commander-in-chief. A report from earlier this month revealed that SIGA had secured a $433 million deal, and you thought our country was broke, with the White House to manufacture an unapproved drug to be kept in America's surplus stockpile of smallpox medication. The president's relationship with controlling shareholder Ronald O. Perlman has raised eyebrows, but it has also been divulged that SIGA was offered the sole contract for the drug without the government seeking out any competition from fellow pharmaceutical companies. Obama, Barry, what are you doing? The United States currently has $1 billion. Listen to me. The United States currently has $1 billion worth of smallpox vaccines on the ready, which is more than enough to aid the entire country in case of an epidemic. While the experimental drug ST-246 has yet to be proved effective, it has also yet to be evaluated even or approved by the FDA, and is being purchased at a whopping, are you ready, $255 per pill. Talk about keeping your eye on America and keeping your eye on our commander-in-chief. As the SIGA scandal develops, Senator McCaskill has asked the DHHS to investigate, citing serious questions over the contract. McCaskill also serves on the Senate Subcommittee on Contracting and Oversight. She was also one of the first senators to back Barack Obama during his campaign for the presidency in 2008, and was rumored to be a potential candidate for running mate. Well, my dear friends, the military is going to come. They're voting today or tomorrow on the military being able to detain you. We're talking about FEMA camps, concentration camps. You don't think they're real? Believe me, they are real. And this bill just very well might pass. And if it doesn't and Obama wants it, he's going to sneak it in anyway. He's going to sneak it in anyway. And now Obama, behind everyone's back, because of a nice campaign donation by one of his cronies, is spending all this money making a drug deal. The FDA hasn't even approved this drug, and if we have so much of the smallpox vaccine now, we could supply the entire country. Let me know what you think. I think I'm ready. I'm ready to get out of here. I hope Jesus doesn't tarry much longer. God bless everyone.